I'm here with Tiff,
Toff.
Toff, Tiffany, Tiffarty, the homie G. Yeah. We're gonna do Chubby Bunny Challenge.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I don't need to explain the rules. Everyone does
I look
this.
Asian now.
Okay. So, yeah. Let's go.
Oh.
Here you go.
I look dead. Okay. Okay, you go first.
I have a really small mouth. Chubby Bunny.
Is it my turn?
No, it's my turn.
Chubby Bunny.
Ew, there's black stuff on this one. That's disgusting. Here you go.
I'm just kidding. Ew, don't give it to me.
No, I took it off. You see? Here. Ew, I hate marshmallows. Chubby
You can't
Bunny.
even see me. Look.
Dude, I'm pro at this game.
Chubby Bunny. I can't laugh. It's my turn. Stop making me laugh. It's not funny.
Chubby Bunny.
Mmm.
Whoa, come on! Do you have anything to say?
Stay chill.
Happy birthday, Flavio.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doses.
Bye.